Welcome to a Mode, a platform where young ladies come to get motivated. In this video, we shall talk about 14 tips to extend the life cycle of your clothes. No one wants to be a consumer of fast fashion and have to replace items as quickly as they are bought. We also know that fast fashion has a huge environmental impact, and to be honest, it is frustrating seeing our favorite garments going to the bin after wearing them just a few times. Although, somewhere down the line, we realize that our clothes are not receiving the care and attention they need and no longer serve us. Here are some of the tips to care for your clothes and make them last longer. 1. Start by buying quality clothes. If you start out on the right foot and buy clothing that are high quality, then boosting their life cycle is going to be much more manageable. Natural materials like cotton, linen, bamboo, and leather are great quality even if they do cost a little bit extra. Synthetic materials like polyester just will not keep their shape and integrity over time. Unfortunately, some brands and materials are just not made to last, and they will typically come at a lower price because of this. 2. Use high-quality and well-maintained appliances. It shouldn't be any surprise to learn that our appliances can really impact the longevity of our clothes. Having a quality washing machine, dryer, and iron will ensure that your clothes are being gently cared for. Cheap and old appliances can depreciate over time with their materials becoming rougher and their mechanisms not achieving what they were designed to do. Have your appliances regularly serviced to ensure the quality and longevity of clothes are maintained. 3. Follow your wash care instructions. Over time we have come to think of clothing care instructions as just general guidelines, but it is important that we follow these instructions to the letter. If you feel this is a time-consuming measure, look at all the labels on your clothes and get an understanding of what can be cleaned together as a batch so that you can do all your hand washing, cold washing, and hot loads together. When you can still wear your favorite clothes years down the line, it will be worth the effort. Take note of the wash care instructions on the labels of your garments, they are there for a reason. Avoid damaging styles through incorrect cleaning and take care of them properly to ensure your investment pieces last longer. 4. Store correctly. Did you know that not every article of clothing can be hung? And that different clothes need different type of wash, care, and storage. In fact, wool should always be folded so as not to stretch the shape and to avoid pulls. It is also a good idea to have your wardrobe displaying seasonal fashion only, and have your summer or winter clothing vacuum sealed so that they are not damaged on the shelf or on a hanger. 5. Avoid direct sunlight. Fading can happen to any color and almost any fabric, and it is absolutely avoidable. Most of the wardrobes have a door and you can keep your clothing in a dark and temperature-controlled environment. But nowadays, there is a growing trend of people handing their clothing around their rooms on stylish racks. Try and only do this with the outerwear like denim as it has actually been designed for these climates and exposures. 6. Avoid harsh chemicals. Consumers are spoiled for choice when it comes to washing brands and ingredients, but our selection can be almost mechanical with few of us reading the back of the box to learn what ingredients our clothes are coming into contact with. Eco-friendly washing brands have been touted with a number of benefits to the environment and clothing longevity. So, select one next time you shop. 7. Cleanse clothes only when necessary. Even cleaning your clothes with gentle products can strip them of their natural oils and softness, as well as damaging the color of the fabric and making the fade early. In order to avoid this, wear the garment at least 2 to 3 times before washing them. 8. Try washing clothing in cold water. Washing your clothes in cold water, using a mild detergent and avoiding bleach, can certainly make clothes last longer. Try to hand wash garments when you can too, especially when it comes to pieces crafted from more delicate fabrics like lace. 9. Skip the dryer. The heat of a dryer not only shrinks the fabrics of clothes, but it can also ruin their fibers over time. Use a liquid fabric softener when washing and then hang your clothes or lay them flat to dry. Your clothes will last longer and you'll also keep energy costs down. 10. Treat stains right away. Unfortunately, as we all know, sudden stains can ruin clothing. Carry a stain-removing pen or stick for stain treatment on the go, or be sure to treat any stains as soon as you can. 11. Don't wear too much perfume. Many people don't realize that the ingredients in perfume, hairspray, and other beauty products can actually damage your clothes. Trying using your fragrances and other products before getting dressed to avoid any buildup on your clothing. 12. Repair your clothes. Make your clothes last longer by investing in a sewing kit. This will help if you want to stitch a missing button or trim the garment. 13. Reduce the use of detergent. Using the detergents helps remove the stains, grimes, and bacteria on the clothes. The truth is, other than it is harmful to the environment, using a large amount of detergent can make your clothes stiff and dull and fade quickly. Use half of the prescribed amount of the detergent and half a cup of baking soda. Baking soda is the best natural detergent booster. The mixture will not only clean your clothes but will also help maintain the color and freshness of your clothes. 14. Use clothesline and air dry. If the sun is out, you can hang your washed garments outside. The sun does better in drying your clothes than your energy-consuming dryer machine. It also avoids overheating and shrinking your favorite garments inside the dryer. You have to remember this, especially when you are dealing with sportswear. Their fabric is known to break down, leading to unwanted looseness or stretchiness. However, you have to ensure that your clothes are not under direct sunlight. It will cause discoloration of your garments. Taking good care of your clothes is similar to saving money and the environment. It is essential to have an ethical and sustainable closet. Eco-conscious fashion enthusiasts encourage people to take good care of their clothes to cut consumption and reduce their carbon footprint. If you like the video, kindly like and subscribe the channel. Your subscription to our channel will help it grow. So, how do you take care of your clothes? Comment below. Thank you for watching A La Mode. Until next time. Bye.